Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an It's a seller or planning to start your shop, you probably know that each listing costs $20, 20 cents. But what if I told you that you can get free listings? Stick around and I will show you how to do it in 2025. First of all, you need to create an It's a shop from it's a.com, then select your language, then country, then shop currency, then save and continue. Then create your name of shop, then save and continue. Now select your category like marks, then it's a physical item, a member of shop, what is it, a finished product, recently make to order. Then select save and continue. Now add a title, then attach the photos and the videos, then write and description, then your price, then quantity and material glass, ceramic, metal, and fill out all of them. Then save and continue. Okay, the best and most reliable way to get free It's a listings is through It's a referral program. Here's how it works. Click on Shop Manager, then scroll down to your shop and find Refer a Friends. Share your unique referral link. It gives you a special referral link when someone signs up as a seller using your link and lists an item. Both of you get 40 free listings. If you don't want to refer others, try selling digital downloads like printables, templates, or stock photos. It's a occasionally offers free listings to new sellers or during special promotions. It's updated by subscribing to It Says newsletter, checking It Says official seller handbook, join It's a Facebook groups or Reddit communities where people share referral links. Just be sure to follow the group rules before posting your link. And that's it. Whether you use referrals, digital products, or it's a promos, there are plenty of ways to get free listings. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop your It's a Shop link in the comments. Maybe someone will use your referral. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.